Welcome to 3E Accounting, your trusted partner for all corporate needs in Malaysia. In Malaysia, every company is required by law to have at least one local resident director. For many foreign investors, finding a qualified local resident director can be challenging. That's where 3E Accounting comes in, offering reliable nominee director services. Our nominee director services include ensuring compliance, confidentiality, and seamless business operations. Here's how it works. Step 1. Consultation. Step 2. Agreement. Step 3. Appointment. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our clients have to say. With 3E Accounting, you can trust in our professionalism and commitment to your business success. Don't let the local resident director requirement hinder your business. Contact 3E Accounting today. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our nominee director services.